So is affiliate marketing easy and really a great way to make money online, or are there better options? My name is Michael and I made money online for years, and I also have some videos where I talk about affiliate marketing, and many viewers have asked me if it really is easy because they have seen some claim that it is, and they want to know a little bit more about what to expect. So in this video I will go over that topic and share my real experiences so you really know what to expect and can find out if this is the right opportunity for you or not. So let me just start by making one thing clear before we go over whether affiliate marketing is an easy way to make money online. So I just want to set it straight that it can be a real and legit way to make really good money online. I make a living online myself, mainly from affiliate marketing, so I know that it actually does work. However, there are many people it does not work for because they do it with the right expectations. And one of the things that many people misunderstand is how easy it is, because it is theoretically easy and something anyone can do, but there are just still a lot of people that will fail. So, but in general, let's just start from the beginning in case you do not know what affiliate marketing is. So then if you already know that, then you can just use the timestamps below to jump forward to the next section. But if you do not know what it is, very shortly explained, affiliate marketing is where you find some kind of service or product that you would like to recommend to others. You join an affiliate network or an affiliate program where you get access to promote that. You get a link, you share that link. When people click that link and either end up buying or taking a certain action, you will earn a commission. So you can see theoretically it's very easy. You just need to join the program, find a product you want to recommend to others. You get people to click the link, you earn commissions, and you can actually earn hundreds of dollars. Some people earn thousands of dollars per day doing this. And if you, for example, look online, whether it's easy or not, I do understand why you can get a little bit confused. Because, for example, on YouTube, you can see there are many strategies, that say it's like easy, and I'm not saying that these videos that I'm showing you right here are not true, because I haven't actually watched all of them. I'm just saying that in general, when you just scroll through there, then you might get the impression that it is super easy because it's like 0 followers, 0 effort, the easiest money that I've ever made. So of course some of them might actually be a little bit more transparent in the video. I'm not going for any of these creators themselves. It's more in general the topic that can be confusing because there is so much information out there that is contradictory. And to be honest, there is something that most so-called gurus in affiliate marketing, making money online, forget to tell you. Because as you can hear, when you just make a video and saying like, okay, you join this program, you share that link, you get a $200 commission, it sounds super easy. And then you think, okay, I just need to get one person to do that per day is $200 per day. If I can get 10 people to do it, $2,000 per day, it sounds super easy, like a very nice way to get rich. But what they forget to tell you when they're trying to sell you some kind of program or software, they're trying to sell, in many cases, not all of them, but I'm just saying overall, that is often the case. Then they forget to tell you that this is not easy, because to actually get people to click your links, you need an audience first. So let's go a little bit deeper into that and the steps you need to consider before jumping into this. So when it comes to getting an audience, then the first thing you need to do is to consider what you would like to share with your audience, because you should not just think of affiliate marketing as a way to spam links and make money. You need to consider how can you provide quality, and that comes through content. Content can be many things. It can be YouTube, like what I'm doing now. It can be a blog. I also have a website and a blog where I have a lot of information. It can be TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook. It can be, whatever. But in general, if you want to make money long term with affiliate marketing, you need to have some kind of quality content you can share. And that way you will start building up an audience. And not until you actually do that, then you will also start seeing conversions, because you help people, they know that they can trust you. People will not just trust a random link that you spam in YouTube comments or in blogs or forums, like some people recommend that, oh, that's how you make money with affiliate marketing. That will not work, because people do not trust that. They can see through that, and they have no reason to trust you because you're not providing value. So that's where you need to take a step back and say like, okay, if this is something I want to do, what do I want to share? What do I want to then create of quality, and then the next step comes, then you can recommend things that are truly worth recommending, and then people will also trust you, and then you will start making good money while helping people at the same time. And that is how you get long-term success with affiliate marketing. But it is not as easy as some people claim, but it is actually something anyone can do if they just are willing to put in the effort required. And speaking of that, let's talk a little bit more about who this is for, because as mentioned earlier, many people do fail when they try affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is theoretically something anyone can do, no matter the background and no matter where they are located. But the reality is also that probably 90% of people that try to make money with affiliate marketing have failed or will fail. And one of the main reasons for this is that it is not easy, in the sense that you need to be willing to put in continuous effort for several months to get results. And some people put in a week, sometimes people put in maybe a month of a little bit effort here and there. Sometimes people put in 3 months, but not really a lot of effort. What you need to do is to treat this as a business. If you want to do this, this is a real business. No other business where you would expect to be able to start making hundreds of dollars from day one. Just think about it. If you go to school to get a job, you might study for, go to school for 10, 15, 20 years to go out and get an entry-level job for a lower salary. Here you're learning a brand new skill that maybe with enough effort, after 6 to 12 months or more, it can bring you $200, $500, $1,000 daily or more in some cases. And still people think that it's something where they don't have to put in an effort, but they know that if they start another business or if they need to go get a job, then they need to put in effort. And that is why most people fail. They think it is so super easy that you do not need to put in effort. Affiliate marketing is easy in the sense that it is something anyone that is willing to really learn and put in effort can get results with, but it's not easy in the sense that it requires continuous effort. And the reality is, just in my experience, that most people are not willing to actually put in continuous effort to get the results that they're hoping for. They just want it overnight, and that's just not realistic. So to sum it all up, affiliate marketing can be a great way to make money online, and it has huge earning potential, and it can be a way where you can earn good money and at the same time help people with valuable information. And for me, that is an amazing way to make money, and especially because it means that you can work completely on your own terms, and that's what I love about affiliate marketing. But you do need to be willing to put in continuous time and effort. You need to be willing to put in a bit of investment in proper training, proper tools. It will not happen overnight, and that is something you really need to be aware, no matter what information you find out there. So if people claim that you can make money overnight or become rich overnight with affiliate marketing or start making a living today, so they will end up cheating you, or you will end up wasting your time. But if you do it with the right approach, it can be an amazing way to start an online business. But do treat it as an online business, and then you will have real chances of great success. And many people have asked me about this, so I just wanted to explain a little bit more about what to expect. And also, if you want to know more about the exact steps that I have taken to build a full-time online income with affiliate marketing, I do have more information on my website. I will leave a link below. You can go and check that out if you are serious. This is only if you live up to what I say here, because if not, you will not get anything out of it anyways. You will not succeed anyways. But if you're willing to put in continuous effort and know that this is something that will not happen overnight, then I encourage you to check out the link below. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.